Hey, so if your pages in Confluence are getting messy or hard to navigate, yeah, you're not alone. The good news is, Confluence has powerful ways to organize everything properly. In this guide, I'll show you step by step how to organize content in Confluence in 2026. First thing, use spaces. Create separate spaces for teams, projects, or departments. Next, build a hierarchy. So use parent and child pages to organize topics. All right, name your pages clearly. I mean, good titles make it easier to find content later. Now use labels. Labels act like tags so you can group related content easily. Next, use templates. So this keeps your content consistent across all pages. All right, add a table of contents. I mean, this helps users navigate long pages. Now, link pages together. Internal links improve navigation. Next, clean up regularly. So archive outdated pages. And yeah, use search and filters to find content quickly. So that's how you organize content in Confluence. Once structured properly, your workspace becomes clean and easy to use.